How to do well on project number 2. Here's our sign-up sheet. So a few of you have not signed up for a topic yet, so please sign up by someone who doesn't have a partner. I'd like to show you how to use Zoom to meet with your partner. As you can notice on the project description, you'll be required to meet with your partner in Zoom at least twice. So let me show you first how to do that. You have Zoom downloaded on your computer because you've been using it in class this semester. So you can either search for Zoom, or if you know where it is, you can open it. It looks like a blue and white video camera. Then when you plan on a time to meet with your partner, and you may want to go ahead and exchange your text information, your phone number, etc., in case you somehow have problems. But what you'll do is one person will start with video, and then you're going to invite someone. So you'll go to invite, and then choose Gmail. Then you'll send an invitation to a person that you're going to invite. I'll just invite myself. And then you'll go to send, and then that person, your partner, will get a link to the Zoom meeting that you've started. You can also share your screen with your partner. To do that, if you move your mouse over the video, you'll see share screen. And this is going to be handy if you want to look at what you've done so far with the lesson plan. And then you'll choose wherever your document is, like maybe it's in Chrome. And then when I click on that, it's now sharing the screen. To stop sharing, when you finish and you want to see each other on full screen, you'll go to stop share, and then it will come back to this. When you finish with your meeting, you can go to end meeting down here like that, and then end meeting for all. I will be happy to join your meeting if you would like me to, and give you some ideas on how to make your lesson plan, etc. So you're required to meet twice with your partner. I would advise you meeting initially to get started on your lesson plan. You could even make the lesson plan together with your partner over Zoom, and then maybe halfway or towards the end perhaps, to make sure you've got everything that is in the rubric. If you prefer to use Skype or another like Google Hangouts, you can use that. I think Zoom is much easier because you can share the screen and it doesn't have any glitches to it. Another thing that you might find useful for your project is a resource from Common Sense. So I've got this there for you, Common Sense Education. If you search for it, or it's commonsense.org, then there is a section on digital citizenship. So this is the link up there if you would like to use that resource. So looking over the assignment, you've already chosen a partner. You'll be researching your topic. And then you'll be making number 3 a 30 to 45 minute lesson plan. And you'll be making this into a Google Doc and share it with me and share it with your partner. And that way we can both look at it and add to it. Then you're going to tell what your learning objective is. What is your topic? What do you want students to learn? What's the grade that you're targeting? A video hook is what you've done in CI 2300. This is when you get a short video that introduces a topic. It can be humorous, it can be serious, it can be something that gets your students to thinking about your topic. Or if you prefer, you can make your own video hook. Then you're going to be given directions of what you're going to be doing during the lesson. So this is a large part of your lesson plan. So what activities are you going to have students do? You might get some ideas online. Just be sure you cite those ideas. And so this is the largest part of your lesson plan. Then throughout Part C, your lesson plan, you'll have at least 4 questions, and you may have more. Teachers ask a lot of questions that get your students to thinking about your topic. And as you've learned in 2300 through Bloom's taxonomy, you want kids to be able to analyze and critique and think about your topic. So questions are a great way to do this. So you don't want to have all lower level questions. Then each partner is going to create an original product, something that you make to teach your topic. So this is going to be a product different from what you used from Project 1. Please avoid PowerPoint because it's outdated and kind of boring actually. So to get ideas, we're going to go down to the smiley face, different tools that you can use. So when you use these tools, you want to avoid giving information, just facts. So you want to make it interesting. You don't want to make it like a worksheet. So for example, with Facebook, I've seen students make a Facebook page. It's like a Facebook page, but you don't have to, it's not on Facebook. And they may make one of a cyberbully and another one of somebody who's being cyberbullied and what that might look like. Our voice thread, this is where you can add a photo and you can add your voice over it. You can make a voice thread of child, the age maybe that's the age group that you're targeting, and talking about how he or she got addicted to video games. Screencast-o-matic, that's how I'm making this screen capture for you now. You may have a screencast looking at different passwords and asking students questions. Why do you think this might not be a good password? How can I make this password better? Also, some other things that you can do are ThingLink. That's where you can make a photo that's interactive that pops up with either videos, images, or text. So maybe you would make a ThingLink on the profile of an internet predator or a cyberbully, etc. So these are some ideas for you. I will be happy to meet with you and help you think of ways to make your project creative so that it's not just spouting out information. Be sure that you look at the rubric. I will be adding that today, and check over to make sure you have everything you need. So please let me know if you have questions. I look forward to emailing you this week, Zooming with you this week. Remember, I have office hours tomorrow on Thursday at 4:30 to 5:30. And so Zoom on in if you'd like to then, or I'll be happy to Zoom or Skype with you at any time. I hope you are having a wonderful week.